I'm going to show you here how you can create your own content for the blog, which will then get posted to social media according to the schedule that's been set up. So just call it whatever you want to call it. That will be the name of the URL that gets appended to your blog. Okay. There's quite a lot on this page, but if you just wanted, for example, just to post an image or some text, very basic, you can just type in your text here. If you wanted to add a picture, you can just add media. You can upload a file from your computer, or you might want to use one that's in the media library already. Let's just use something just as an example. That's the size of it there. Okay, this is in text mode. If you do it in visual, you'll actually see what it looks like visually. Okay. Now, if you then wanted to publish that to make it visible, what you would do is post it to the news category. Okay, that makes it visible on the blog and visible on social media. The other option is to save it as a draft and then later on come in and publish it. What I want to show you is the graphical interface we've got underneath this. So this is using what's called the Profit Builder theme. So what I generally do is hide all these different options here, and then click on Profit Builder. Okay, let's save it as a draft. Okay, so if you want to do something a bit more complex, use the Profit Builder. So you click Profit Builder and click Edit Page. The beauty of this is you can format it in all kinds of different ways. Okay, so it's blank at the moment, so as it says here, click Add a New Row. Now you can do single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, all kinds of different varieties in terms of the columns. If you want to make something a bit fancy, let's just do a 2 column one. So just click 2 halves there. Okay. Now it says add a short code. So that's column 1 and that's column 2. We've got lots of options over here on the right hand side. If, for example, you wanted to change the colour of it, you would change the background to it's a pretty garish colour. Let's change it to grey or bluey grey. I'm a bit colourblind. Okay, so now add a short code. Click on that, and you've got all these different options. You can add I'm not going to go through all of these, but you can see you've got lots of different options available to you. So to add an image, let's just do the image. Now, as soon as you click on something, everything over here this is where you navigate to add things. So your image, you would upload it. I'm just going to select anything here. So that's now inserted your image in there. So if you wanted to insert some text here, I tend to most of the time just use the basic options. So text is there. You would then paste your text in there or type your text in there, change the colour so you can see it. Okay, I'm just going to change that to white. And you can left align it or centre align it, right align it. Use a custom font size. Okay, doesn't look brilliant, but you get the idea. Now you can duplicate that row just by clicking on the duplicate there, clone. So you could change this now. So you just X to delete that element. Add another element. Now if you wanted to add a video, for example. Sorry, if you want to add a video, is it here or is it on the other one? Okay, so let's just do a bullet list just while I'm here, just as an example. Okay, so that's added a bullet list. So can't see the text now because of the colour. Change it to white. You can now see that. So let's just add a number of these. If you want to change the icon, again you can change the font size, just make it a little bit bigger. Lots of different icons. Change the icon to a bell. You can change the colour of the icon. So just to give you some idea of how easy it is, so let's just delete that element, add a video. So the video is under content. Okay, select video. Again, go over here. You've got your different options. So you enter your YouTube or Vimeo URL there, or you can also upload an MP4 or add an embed code there. Okay, so that's how you add video. I'm not going to go through everything, but you get the idea. It is really easy to do. Now if you wanted to add, say, a 3-column row, okay, change the colour if you want. You can make it a full width row. You can even add a video background to it if you wanted to. An image as a background. There's tons of things you can do. So if there's something you do on a regular basis, then this is something you might want to use. And you can even save that template if you wanted to. So you can export save the template, and then if you're to create a new page, you can just load the template. Okay, so now I won't show you how to do that now, because this video could become extremely long. Let's just add another shortcode there. And these could be quite nice, charts, bars and counters. So you can add like a gauge, and you can specify the different dimensions over here as to how it fills it with the different colours and the different values, etc. Percentage chart, counter, add another row, just make that a full width row, add your text, or let's have a look what else we got. Advanced, add a countdown timer, Google Maps, all sorts of things. So when you're finished with this, and you can also preview it on different device types as well, just by clicking these icons at the top, because it's all fully mobile optimized, fully responsive. So it looks good. Go back. If you make errors, you can undo and redo, and you can preview the page. Just save it up there, top left hand corner. Preview the page. It's not going to look very attractive, but you can see how it all works. Okay, and when you've finished, you would go back. And remember to save your changes, so you would click update. Or in this case publish, because it was never actually published. So publish that. And you can display it. Okay. Hopefully you found that useful. If you got any questions about using the template builder, then get in touch, no problem. Thank you.